The jungle comes alive with a chorus of sound, chirps, whistles, and laughter echo through the green canopy. Suddenly, a flash of red, blue, and yellow darts across the sky. That's not just a bird, that's nature's living rainbow, the parrot. These incredible creatures have fascinated humans for centuries with their intelligence, beauty, and their ability to talk just like us. Welcome to Animal Forever US, where today we uncover the colorful and mysterious world of parrots, the birds that can speak, love, and even think like humans. Parrots are among the most recognizable birds on Earth, known for their vibrant feathers and playful personalities. Found mostly in tropical and subtropical regions, parrots inhabit the dense rainforests of South America, Africa, Asia, and Australia. There are over 400 species of parrots, each with unique characteristics. From the tiny budgerigar, often called a budgie, to the giant macaw that can stretch its wings more than a meter wide, every parrot species has its own fascinating story to tell. They are members of the order Psittaciformes, which includes three main families: the true parrots, cockatoos, and New Zealand parrots. What makes parrots so special? For one, they are among the most intelligent creatures in the animal kingdom. Scientists often compare their intelligence to that of a young child. Parrots can solve puzzles, understand cause and effect, and even show emotional responses. They recognize faces, remember voices, and can learn words with meaning. The African gray parrot, often considered the Einstein of the bird world, has demonstrated the ability to count, identify colors and shapes, and even express emotions. One famous parrot named Alex became world famous for his intelligence. Alex could answer questions, identify materials like wood and metal, and even use phrases in context. When he was tired, he'd say, "I'm gonna go now." When he made a mistake, he'd correct himself. These aren't just tricks, they show deep cognitive understanding. But let's not forget their voices, the reason parrots are adored worldwide. Parrots can imitate almost any sound they hear, from human speech to doorbells, phone rings, and even other animals. The reason behind this ability is their highly developed vocal organ called the syrinx. Unlike humans, who have vocal cords, parrots use their syrinx muscles and air control to reproduce complex sounds. In the wild, parrots use vocal mimicry to communicate and bond with their flock. When living with humans, they see their owners as their flock, so they mimic our words to connect with us. That's why when your parrot says, "hello," it's not just copying you, it's trying to talk to you, to be part of your family. Now let's move deeper into their world, their homes, their habits, and their hearts. Parrots are social creatures that thrive in flocks. They spend their days foraging for food, flying long distances, and interacting with one another. They are loyal companions, often forming strong pair bonds that can last a lifetime. When two parrots bond, they share food, groom each other's feathers, and stay close even when flying. In the wild, such bonds are crucial for survival. They help parrots stay alert to predators and find food more efficiently. A parrot without its partner often becomes lonely and anxious, showing just how emotional and empathetic these birds truly are. Their diet is another fascinating part of their life. Parrots eat a variety of fruits, nuts, seeds, nectar, and sometimes small insects. Their powerful curved beaks are perfectly designed to crack open tough nutshells and seeds, while their zygodactyl feet, two toes facing forward and two backward, help them grip and manipulate food like tiny hands. In fact, parrots often use one foot to hold food while eating, just like humans use their hands. But beyond feeding themselves, parrots play a key role in their ecosystems. By eating fruits and dropping seeds, they help spread plants and trees across forests, essentially becoming the gardeners of the jungle. Every time a parrot eats, it contributes to the growth and renewal of its environment. But the world of parrots isn't all colorful and cheerful. These birds face many challenges in the wild. Habitat loss, illegal pet trade, and deforestation have pushed several parrot species toward extinction. The beautiful Spix's macaw, once found in Brazil, is now extinct in the wild. The main cause: the destruction of its natural habitat and illegal capture for the pet trade. Sadly, many people buy parrots without understanding their needs. Parrots are not easy pets. They require constant attention, space to fly, and social interaction. When caged for long periods or left alone, parrots can become depressed, pluck out their feathers, or stop eating. These behaviors aren't mischief, they're cries for help. In the wild, parrots are free-spirited creatures. Watching a group of macaws flying across the Amazon rainforest is a breathtaking sight, flashes of blue, red, and yellow moving together through golden sunlight. Their loud calls echo across the trees, a reminder that these birds are born for the open skies. They can fly up to 50 miles in a day in search of food, often returning to the same nesting sites each year. Parrots are also clever nest builders, using tree hollows, cliffs, and even termite mounds to protect their eggs. Both parents take care of the young, showing just how strong their family instincts are. Their beauty is another reason they've become so beloved. Parrots are literally living art. Their feathers come in almost every color imaginable. The scarlet macaw wears fiery red, yellow, and blue. The hyacinth macaw, the largest of all, shines in deep royal blue with golden rings around its eyes. The eclectus parrot stands out because males and females look completely different. Males are green while females are bright red and blue. Each feathered species is nature's masterpiece, painted with perfection. But beyond their looks and voices, parrots have hearts full of emotion. Many parrot owners describe their birds as affectionate, loyal, and even moody, just like humans. A parrot that bonds with its human can become extremely attached. It will call for them, follow them, and even mimic their laughter. If that person leaves or ignores the bird, it can become sad or angry. These emotional connections show how intelligent and sensitive parrots truly are. They're not just pets. They're companions who think, feel, and love. One of the most fascinating things about parrots is their long lifespan. Some species, like macaws and cockatoos, can live 50 to 80 years, sometimes even more. That means a parrot can live an entire lifetime alongside a human family, watching generations grow. This long life also means they need a lifetime of care, stimulation, and love. In the wild, that's easy. The jungle provides endless adventure. But in captivity, humans must provide that enrichment to keep them happy and healthy. In different cultures, parrots have held symbolic meanings for centuries. In ancient civilizations, they represented beauty, freedom, and communication. In Hindu mythology, the parrot is associated with love and devotion. In South America, indigenous tribes considered parrots messengers of the gods because of their ability to speak. Even today, parrots are seen as symbols of joy and wisdom, reminders of the beauty and intelligence that nature offers us. Yet, despite their fame, parrots need our help. Every year, thousands are captured illegally from the wild and sold in markets. Many don't survive the journey. Conservationists around the world are now working hard to protect their habitats and stop illegal trade. Sanctuaries and breeding programs are helping reintroduce endangered parrots back into the wild. By supporting these efforts and spreading awareness, we can help these amazing creatures continue to brighten our planet with their colors and voices. Imagine this: a dense rainforest, sunlight streaming through the leaves, and the air filled with the joyful chatter of parrots flying freely above. That's how it should be, parrots living wild, happy, and free. They remind us of nature's creativity, intelligence, and emotion. They show that every creature, no matter how small, has a voice that deserves to be heard. And as we listen to that voice, the echo of a parrot calling from the treetops, we realize something profound. These birds aren't just mimicking us. They're communicating a truth that goes beyond words. The world is alive, intelligent, and deeply connected. So the next time you see a parrot, whether in the sky, on a branch, or even in someone's home, remember that behind those bright feathers is a brilliant mind and a beating heart. A creature that speaks the language of nature itself. Thank you for watching Animal Forever US. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of parrots, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing animal stories every day. Because every animal has a story, and we're here to tell them all.